once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I...
Guys, I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. So I have a 2014 Scion FRS. I like this car for a lot of reasons. It's 200 horsepower. I got it for a good deal. That's a really, one of the reasons I like it. There's a ton of parts for it. You can go aftermarket or you can go OEM, which I like both of those. Again, so affordable, lots of parts. It's a perfect car for me. Also, it's black and red. What we're gonna be doing is putting some more black and red OEM, literally OEM, not even OEM plus, just OEM parts into my car. So on the 2014 FRS Scion, I have the basic interior, which is gonna be the red little seats right here. And then on the side, I already did a little bit of this. I do have a video. I do have a little bit upgraded where it's the red stitching here and then this leather. I think this isn't upgraded, I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure. It has the knee kicks right here with the speaker in it. This is what I want to get rid of. I did not buy these yet, but I probably will buy where I can get this black and not chrome. Today we're gonna be getting rid of, oops, sorry. We're gonna be getting rid of this right here. I've already removed and got rid of. It comes with this vinyl fake carbon fiber, and it's really simple. You just pull it off. I actually really love the stereo on here. I'm gonna leave it. I like it a lot. I actually want one for my MR2. We did do black already here, upgraded there. I have a black knob. This right here is gonna get replaced today. I'm so excited for that. We're going black on there. I do have the steering wheel right here. This is black, which I love. And then again over there in the rings. So there's a lot of things on this thing that make the interior not perfect in my eyes. It's still contradicting each other, meaning black there and not black. So I found over here some OEM, look at all this OEM stuff. OEM, 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 look at all these parts. Look at all those part numbers. This is for me. OEM, I love it. I love all this stuff. So we're gonna open up some packages and we're gonna do a blacked out interior. I believe it's called the RC, like rally car. And what it was Toyota in Japan stripped everything down and they had like just the cheap plastic, which is just black, which actually is what I like. I think personally that looks good. If I had it all wrapped in like leather, I think that looks good too. But for me, I just want to go not carbon fiber on this car. I actually don't think there is any carbon fiber on this car, and I don't want any carbon fiber. I just want black and red. I think it'll look good. So if you're looking for a real clean, aesthetic, simple, nice interior, follow this video. Let's get into it. Make sure to like every video on my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Let's jump into this. We're gonna start on the door first. So this is simple. This is like just a insert plastic here. You should buy a little tool like this. This should be like 99 cents. It's literally just a thin piece of plastic. You should definitely get one. What we should be able to do is put it between here and just start prying on this. And I'm assuming it's gonna pop out. There you go. See that? A little bit of force. Don't be too nervous. And then we'll pull on it. It should pop out. Hopefully it doesn't break. There you go. It's in there good. And then it'll come up and out. So real simple. It clicks in right here and it goes up like that and then in. Now we have this removed. Looks good without it. It's already better. We're gonna open up this part number. Grip door right hand. I think this is gonna be the right side. We'll open this up. Again, this is gonna be the RC. I think this stuff is so fun. I love this stuff. I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. I hope I motivate you guys to do this. Yeah, this looks awesome. Look at that. Look, here's this versus, oh my gosh. What a difference. Okay. You almost do it before and after. Yeah, I love this. This is so much more me. So we're going to slide it in there. It's an OEM, so it should fit good, right? Fit good, fit well, fit perfect. We'll push it in, make sure it's aligned right, and then start working our way back down. You can hear it clicks. Literally like, I don't know, 10 seconds into this video, and that is a huge upgrade. Look at the difference. I don't know, it's a preference thing. I like that. I like that a lot. I think that looks so much better. So one and done. Oh, I love it. That makes me so happy. Oh, good. You can paint these if you want. I'm just not very good at painting this stuff. So when there's an OEM better option, I will always spend the money to buy that, unless it's a crazy amount. These are pretty reasonable. All these parts are pretty reasonable. I mean, like they're like 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks, which is really reasonable. You can get them online or you can get them at your Toyota dealership. I'd recommend get them online so they can come to your house. Pretty awesome. I love it. I'm very happy. I'm really into that. I think that looks good. It's a quality OEM fit. Perfect. Same thing before and after. You want to start down below. So right here, and I think if you just actually push up on it, it might release it. Nah, I'm gonna try the prying method again, and it seemed to be the best. And it was like right here is a good spot. This corner, right there. It might be a big deal if you want to keep them, right? Okay, so just like that, comes out, and then kind of be aggressive, like that, and we're out. They really do click in pretty tough, so be aware of that. They do click in pretty tough. It should just pop out. All of them should just pop out. Just like that, 2 done. I think that looks so much better. Let's come over to the other side. I'll grab you guys, and then look at that. Oh, I love it. Super simple. Definitely my taste. All right, let's move on to this shiny silver thing. Black, shiny. Stuff used to always have screws and whatnot. I think you can, on this one, I think you can just literally like yank on it. A little bit extra love. 1, 2, 3, yank. Let's see if I can do it. Maybe it's down below, you can try that one. Or on the sides. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look at that. And it just pops out. Literally, that just pops out. Insane. Okay, so now I believe on this one, you're just going to get a flat head, and this thing will, or maybe even this little ring just comes out. Well, look, let me look at the new one. 2 different part numbers, so I'm assuming they are different. They do look different. And I think you might be able to do it without actually pulling it out, maybe. We might try that on the next one. It's just a tiny little thing. So again, we're going to use our little pry tool here and go around. Okay, yeah, that just pops off. I want you guys to do these around. Okay, here's the one that came off the car. You can see there's a little divot here on the downside. That one doesn't have the little divot right here. And then this one does. So it is this one, which is this part number, which panel GRL ring B. So B is probably gonna be the one that goes on that side. Literally just snaps in there, super simple. So you can see here, it's more depth. That right there is deep right here. This side is deeper than the upper side. You see that? That's what makes it the big deal. And then you can see because the interior comes out towards you more. So this should just go back in here. There you go. Okay, perfect. And you have to get them right, okay? So make sure that you get them right, because it does look different. Ooh, that looks so much better. Black on black. Yeah. Look at that. Yep. This is definitely my style. You know, it's funny, in later years in cars, I can see them, like, the new versions have a lot of chrome. I think it's like, no offense, but older guys like this stuff. The final version, more sporty of cars, are all like black or carbon fiber interior. It's like always like the AMG Black series versus that. So this is for me, and I love that Toyota made this for the RC or Scion. Could be the fastest mod of all time. It literally takes like 30 seconds. I love that. I am so happy that I did that. That is such a cooler driver experience in my opinion. Okay, we need to move on to this thing now. I don't know if you can just, I think there's some screws down here, so you might have to remove the center console. We'll figure it out. I haven't seen this one. So I do see some screws here because I pulled out these. Again, these ones just pop in as well. We'll use those as a finishing touch. The only thing that's going to be silver in here still will be these little buttons here, the door, and then the little rings on there, which I'm fine with. I think that looks good. I really love it. I love that I did this one. This is definitely the must do, because this one and the new ones look like this too. So if you want to replicate that, I love it. Definitely recommend buying these before they sell out of them. Though we actually have taken this out a few times. Reason why is I had to do the ABS or the airbag sensor. You remember I replaced the airbag sensor? So let's open this. I'm assuming, I'm not sure. We're gonna use my little tool here again to remove this little rubber. Let's see if we can get this thing up like that. Remove that. there's going to be a 210 millimeters. Let's get after those. Okay, I'll clean that. Then there's going to be 2 right here. 1, 2. Phillips head, super simple, lefty loosey. Scary, it's not scary, it's super simple. This one never wants to come out. This one's just literally pushed in here and it never wants to come out. 2 fingers on this thing, push down and pull out. So both fingers in here, push down and pull out, it'll pop. Once it pops, you're gonna see 2 more Phillips head screws for the center console, okay? So to get this unit off, right here, it is a little bit of wiggling. I just wanted to show you the backside. So one, it clicks inwards down below, and then up here, all these little teeth, those long teeth right there, you guys see those? Those are what slides into there and holds this in place. So technically, if you look over the whole unit, there's only 1 screw, but there's a lot of things that are holding it in. That's why you need to pull back this center console. I'm not gonna remove the entire center console, but pull it back like that, and then it should be able to, they don't show you guys this online, but it should be able to just wiggle on out. Let me use this hand right here. I might have to set you guys down, but there you go. See that? You guys see that? It wiggled out. It's an interesting thing, but it's those are the long teeth that are always holding it in if you're trying to get it out. It's fun how it says Subaru all over it. Okay, so that being said, now we should just use a Phillips head and remove that and put the new black ones on. Okay, part number. And then here's how you get this one off. So again, there's more clicks. Toyota likes to do these little things where it's a push in, which I love. So you're gonna go like this right here, and it should just snap back in right there, line it up, and it should just snap in. Yeah, like that, okay? Okay, perfect. Here's a before and after. Oh my gosh, what a difference. I've wanted to do this since the day I brought this car home. I loved how I did this. I do need to get I'm probably gonna need an aftermarket steering wheel. Mine's beat up, but I want to keep this because I love it so much. Because this is what that steering wheel used to look like. Look at the difference, right? I don't know if it shows crazy on camera, but it definitely in person. And we'll put the screw back in, and we'll snap these 2 back in on these black center console. Oh, it's gonna look so good. 10, 10 to start with the total bolt count. 10, 10. Phillips head, Phillips head. Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head. So 6 Phillips heads and 2 10s, and you got the whole thing out. Really simple. Make sure you plug in all the clips before you put stuff back in. So like this one, and then we should be done. And look how good that looks. I cannot wait to put the final piece there. Super happy with the outcome. It looks so much darker. That is so much better. Oh man, that makes this car look amazing. I love it. It looks so good. It's exactly what I wanted. I love that those are darker. I mean, here, let's just throw it back up right here. That is a huge difference. I think it makes the car look 10 times better. More masculine. I love it. I'm digging this. Now, we will be back here soon because I got to do a new clutch, which I'm excited to show you guys how to do that. But man, what a great turnout. I'm loving this black interior. So let's grab the final piece de resistance and we'll slap in on that black. Now, you could have done Alcantara or something like that, but I just wanted all simple black, 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 black. That's what I was looking for this. This should be the simplest. Here's a part number right here. I think it's, yeah, panel assembly. Center B, left-hand drive. I think it's just one thing. I don't know if this had a part number on it or not. You're gonna want to start with this one first. Look at that. That is so good. It's a simple black. Again, probably gonna say Subaru on it. Yeah, it does. It'll click in, click in, click in, and then it does have like this one little keeper piece. So this should come on first and come out second. So we'll just take it literally and done. Super simple. We'll grab this one. This is going to be for the radio bezel. Super simple, and just click it on. That's it. Literally, that's it. We're done. Amazing. So good. I think the FRS is one of the most comfy sport cars of all time. I love this car. Going from the Lotus, this thing feels like a luxury race car. I love this. Lotus is just straight up race car. MR2 is even more of a race car. This is like going to the most comfortable car that I have out of all of them. That's why these sold so well. They're really good. If you don't have one of these and you're wanting to start out the car, this should be your first car. This should be your first car. Okay, so black. That looks so good. That looks awesome. Black. Yes, black and black. Look at that right there. That is a good like that could be a thumbnail right there. That looks so good. I'm so happy with that. You know, you can get a black little door latch, which I'll probably do. It'll be super easy to remove that. Might do that because I think that would look just the final piece to it. I think that looks so good. Come over here. You know, this is what everyone's gonna look at right there. That it is a little bit of a shine, super small shine, a little bit of a shine in it, but I do love the way it looks. I think it looks amazing paired with this. So all these things are the same color, 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 and same color over there. So I like it a lot. Definitely worth it. How long did this take me? Literally like 30 minutes. I'd recommend doing it. The only thing that I don't have black now is this right here is not black, and these are not black. But other than that, it looks good. Maybe right here is not black, the tip of that, and then the Scion badge, which I'll probably, maybe I can get a badge to create for you guys for this, but absolutely love it. Super me. This is definitely the interior I want. Actually reminiscent of my MR2. I love this. I think this looks good. I'm not going to update this to the digital or anything. I like this the way it is. I think that this is classic, good interior. I really do like this head unit for what it is. I love it a lot. This is great. Awesome interior now. I need to do this project for a long time, so I'm so glad I actually came and did it and got to it to get it. I think it looks good. A couple other things I did notice. I could probably find a black door seal. Maybe I'll look for one of those. But I love it. I think that that looks really masculine. I like this a lot. The red stitching starts to show up a little bit more. And it's all OEM. I love it. I don't know the total price cost, but I'm thinking the whole interior switch is under $200. And it's just OEM. It's good. So this car has some dents on it. I should probably go get them filled or fixed. I don't really want to repaint the whole car, but I do want to get some dents pulled. I do have some other parts that we're going to be doing next, including that fender. So I'll be doing that. I think I'm gonna go get this thing painted, but I don't know if they want me, I don't know if I'm gonna do a paint match where I get it painted while it's on the car. I might do that so it actually has a better color match. But you guys can see right here, this is a big old dent. The other thing that we're gonna do next, probably the next video, see if I do remove that though, I'm gonna have to remove the side skirt that I put on. So I'm probably gonna just put the car up, put it on the side skirts that I have over here, put the lip on. The front video or front bumper has a ton of stuff that we need to do to it. So one, I got these right here. This is gonna be good right here. So here, I actually got OEM parts. We just went through all huge, you guys saw. Okay, let's look over here. Right here, so I'm excited for these. Again, it says Subaru on it. So I'm gonna go with these ones. These are like the OEM. I love those. I got a new one of these because the grill fell out because I went too fast. I got this. This was actually hard to find. This is gonna be, I could almost even do it right now, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna do a video of like building it. This should fit right in there. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Because it's for the tow hook cover, which I've been wanting to do. And then that lip. So we'll make a whole video of doing that. Oh, and side markers too. So I got a ton of things I can do for this. So I think next thing I'm gonna do is lift the car up, throw the side skirts on, do a video for that, and then come back for a final video for the front lip, and I'm excited. I really hope that you guys enjoy this. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I love this car. This is a good car, I do recommend it. If you're a Celica fan, which a lot of people on my channel are Celica fans, or MR2, and you want a more modern car, go buy this. I know the engine is a boxer, so you might not like it that much, but I think it's great, and it actually does have some giddy up for what it is. I definitely think it's awesome. I would like to maybe do a turbo too on this thing. We'll just do it with the clutch, drive it with the clutch, put the new clutch on, and go from there with this new kit. And then if I have an urge, maybe this summer, we'll boost it together. You and me, just like as we boosted the a lot of cars. I boosted a ton of cars. But love this car. Like, subscribe, swingbymitch.com. See you guys in the next video.